Welcome to another Vlogmas video. So today we are... Oh, now he wants to be active in videos again. Like, what in the world? I know you guys are seeing the start of the back.
I actually did this on video, you guys, so I don't even care if y'all see that part right there, because we didn't even finish with the hallway review. So y'all can see that part all y'all want to, because I already did that on camera. So I ain't really revealing them by showing that anyway. That's rude.
Anyways, y'all. Darn it. My bedtime mode on. Crap in anyway.
Don't ever say that.
Excuse you. TK, excuse you.
Hey!
Bruh.
Turn my sleep mode off. There we go. Alright, y'all. So, I know you guys have probably seen my little... Right there. Right there. If you guys haven't seen it, let me show y'all real quick. So this is my cute little garland piece that I am going to be doing all the way down the hallway, and I'm going to go show you guys how to be making this. Now it does have lights on it. The lights are turned off on it right now. I will be showing you guys the finished product of it with the lights on the reveal. I'm not going to turn it on right now because that will require me to climb on this ladder and actually turn them on, and I don't feel like doing that right now, y'all, so sorry. But I'm going to show you guys how to make and it's really cheap and inexpensive, especially if you already have like some battery operated fairy lights. I bought a pack from Amazon and I kind of had them handy, so I didn't have to buy any more. But if you do have to buy some, you can get some off of Amazon for under like $7 to $8, just depending on which ones you get. White lights are a lot cheaper than the rainbow lights, but if you get the rainbow lights, you're looking at probably anywhere between $8 and up. Total, without having to buy the lights, you guys, I did this project for $7. So what I did was... What is the problem, TK?
I don't like this part.
This is the saddest part, I know. So I did this project, you guys.
X-Men is the most cringe movie.
It is not. You have to be more specific when saying X-Men is the most cringe movie. There's a lot of X-Men movies. Okay.
A lot of X-Men are so cringe.
All right, y'all. So and X-Men is not cringe at all. X-Men is bomb.com. So
no,
X-Men
is not cringe.
So you guys, I have this adjustable tension curtain rod from Walmart. Okay, this was like $3 and some change, y'all. This is going to be the most expensive piece that you guys are going to buy if you decide to do this. And to be honest, this one will only work if you have a hallway that is under 48 inches in width. So if your hallway is wider than this, it's not going to work for you, so sorry. So you're going to have to get a wider one. And then if it is wider than like a certain inch, you may have to go with like a shower curtain. And shower curtain rods are a little bit thicker. Well, a lot thicker than this. This one is thinner, so it worked like perfectly with my hallway. And then I wasn't looking to do really that much. So it was like perfect for what I was going for. But like I said, you guys, this was like $3 and some change. And this was the most expensive piece that I had to buy for this project. That first one, I used a penguin. For the second one, the second row, I'm actually going to use a snowman. So we're going to use this snowman, and then the rest of this stuff that I simply just got from Dollar Tree, y'all. So you're looking at the rest of this stuff being $125. So I got the snowman that we're going to be using. We're going to use white garland. Yes, TK.
I love you.
I love you too. We're going to use white iridescent garland because we used the blue iridescent garland to start it, and then we're going to be alternating. So after this one, I have silver that I'm going to be using for the next pole. And then I have to actually go get another pole, y'all, because I realized I need 4 and only bought 3. So we're gonna use this white iridescent garland on this one, and we're using that to actually wrap the pole or wrap around the pole. And then last but not least, we have a row of snowflakes that we're going to be using. So for the first set of snowflakes, I used the silver, white, and blue ones. I actually have a straight silver strand, so we're going to be using that silver strand as well. And then I haven't added these to it yet because I feel like I need to buy some ribbon. But once I buy some ribbon, I am going to be tying in these icicles to all of the rods as well. And the reason why I need ribbon for these is because I actually want them to be different lengths, so that they're not all hanging at the same. Because you know, icicles, you guys, come in different lengths and sizes. So we need them to be looking like they're actual icicles and not just straight across the same, you know, length. So as soon as I get some ribbon, and I think I'm just going to go with like possibly silver and white ribbon to just hang these up. And they do come with some silver, but it's not long enough. So yeah, I'm going to go buy some and just put it in there. So you guys, let's get started.
Seriously, mommy.
All right, guys. So first thing about this is that it's a tension rod. So the good thing is you just twist it out and it extends to the length of your desire. And then it springs. Hence tension.
Bruh.
So I mean, if it's too long, you just screw it in. If it's too short, screw it the other way to make it longer. And then voila. So next thing we're going to do is we are going to be taking our garland, and some of this might be actually sped up, you guys. All right, guys. So next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your so loud. Next thing you're gonna do, y'all, is you're gonna take your lights and you're gonna wrap it around your curtain rod. Trying to figure out the right term to use for this, you guys. You're gonna wrap it around your curtain rod all the way down, and then turn it off or either turn it on. Depending on you want to use up your battery, that's on y'all. But I'm gonna leave it off. I'm just gonna wrap it on all the way down. I'm actually gonna do this off camera, you guys, because it can get a little bit tricky. And I'll be back. Alright, guys, so I got the lights on, and then once they are on, it should be looking just like this. And did you get, and this is what it looks like lighted up. It'll look better when it's dark, fully dark again. But yep, you guys, this is what it looks like lighted up. Really pretty. And then we can turn it off. the next thing that we're going to do is we are just going to add our little touches to it. For this one, I'm just going to put those one set of snowflakes on it. And since I left the hanging piece on that side for the first row, this one is going to go on the opposite side. I'm going to alternate like these little pieces. I'm debating on whether or not I'm going to add like another piece to make it the hanging piece of garland longer or not, or if I'm just going to leave it as is. But since the snowflakes are actually on this side for the first row, this row of snowflakes is going to go on that side. And then I'm going to put the snowman on this side. So for the snowman, we are actually going to put the snowman on the opposite end, you guys. And we're just going to slide him over on the other side. I'll be right back. Alright, so my bad, you guys. I am doing actually a short video and also kind of this video. It's like a DIY version. So I want to do it on camera. What? I'm trying to do it all the way on camera, you guys, and then also show you guys like a full view of me doing it. So the last thing that I did was just put those two Dollar Tree, like, I guess ornaments you could call them. They're not really ornaments, but Dollar Tree, I don't know what to call these things, you guys. Things, snowflakes and snowman, like pretty much on it. So they're on here now. Next thing I'm going to do is just hang it up in the hallway. This is what it looks like completely done. You guys can see it. And then the last thing that we have to do is pretty much add the snowflakes to it. Not the snowflakes, but add the icicles to it once it's done. So I'm just going to hang it, you guys, and turn these off. I just wanted you guys to see it, see what it looked like when it was lighted. But that is it, y'all. And this is like really, really simple, like I told y'all. It literally took me a good 8 minutes to do it all together. Not really that long at all. Cheap, inexpensive, not time consuming. Perfect little DIY for your hallway. Something that you wanted to do, go for it. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna hang this up and then I will show you guys what it looks like with both of them in the hallway.